Our journey begins in the silent blackness of space, where the only sounds are the echoes of creation and the distant hum of cosmic radiation. Here, in this vast emptiness, we find ourselves searching for meaning and connection. From this unimaginable distance, Earth appears as a tiny, fragile marble suspended in a sunbeam, a solitary speck in the darkness, almost lost among the stars. From this distant vantage, our world's beauty and complexity are undeniable, yet our place in the cosmos is remarkably small. Every mountain, ocean, and living thing that has ever existed is contained on this minuscule sphere. We orbit a modest yellow star, the Sun, which is just one among billions in our galaxy. Our solar system is a tiny neighborhood in a much larger city of stars. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. Distances measured in light years, galaxies stretching across billions of them. Each point of light in the night sky could be a sun with its own planets and perhaps its own stories. Our planet spins and hurtles through space, part of a solar system that itself races through the Milky Way at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour, never pausing, always moving. Even our galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda, both moving in a cosmic dance that will unfold over billions of years, a reminder that nothing in the universe is truly still. When we gaze at the night sky, we see only our closest neighbors. The true number of stars is staggering. The light from many of them has traveled for thousands, even millions of years to reach us. The Milky Way alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, each one a potential sun, with its own planets, its own mysteries waiting to be discovered. And there may be 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each filled with countless stars and perhaps countless worlds. Our world is a single drop in an endless ocean of space, a lone island in a cosmic sea that stretches far beyond our imagination. Yet this perspective should fill us with wonder, not insignificance. To be aware of our place in the universe is to be humbled, but also to be inspired. We are part of a grand ongoing story, one tiny planet, orbiting an ordinary star, in a universe of unimaginable scale. Our existence is a testament to the rare and precious nature of life. The fact that we are here at all is extraordinary. Against all odds, life has emerged and flourished on this pale blue dot, giving us the chance to wonder, to explore, and to dream. Let us begin our journey with awe for the pale blue dot we call home, and with curiosity for the endless ocean of space that surrounds us. The universe is a prolific creator of worlds. Its vastness is almost beyond comprehension, stretching farther than our minds can truly grasp. Thanks to decades of discovery, astronomers now believe there's at least one planet for every star in our galaxy, and perhaps even more. That means the Milky Way alone could host over 100 billion planets, many potentially rocky like Earth, orbiting in the habitable zones of their stars, waiting to be discovered. The total number of stars in the universe rivals all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth, a metaphor that barely captures the true scale of cosmic abundance. Each grain, each star, could be a sun to unknown worlds, each with its own story, its own possibilities for life. Earth's history stretches back 4.5 billion years, a timeline so immense that our entire human story would fit in the last few words of the final page of that history. We are recent arrivals on an ancient planet, a fleeting moment in geological time, standing on the shoulders of eons that came before us. Life has survived dramatic changes, including mass extinctions that nearly wiped the slate clean, reshaping the course of evolution again and again. The most severe extinction erased over 90% of ocean species, leaving the seas nearly empty and silent. And 70% on land, as forests vanished and creatures disappeared from the face of the earth. Yet life rebounded, diversifying into the forms we see today, filling every niche and corner of the planet with astonishing variety. We are the descendants of survivors, part of an unbroken chain stretching back billions of years, inheriting the legacy of resilience and adaptation. Our existence is a testament to resilience, a reminder that, against all odds, life endures and flourishes, even on the cosmic shore. We often see ourselves as the pinnacle of life, standing at the top of a vast and ancient tree, gazing out at the world as if it was made just for us. But in reality, we are just one species among millions, a single branch on a tree that has been growing for billions of years, humans are one of over 5,000 mammal species, sharing our planet with creatures as different as whales and bats, tigers and tiny shrews. And even among animals with backbones, we are a minority. Vertebrates are vastly outnumbered by invertebrates. Beetles alone number in the hundreds of thousands of species, each playing their own part in the world's ecosystems. Scientists estimate there could be up to 100 million species on Earth, from the largest whales to the tiniest insects, each adapted to their own unique niche. And if we count the invisible world of microbes, bacteria, archaea, and viruses, the number may soar to 1 trillion or more, most of them still undiscovered. Our collective human weight is less than that of all the ants on Earth, whose colonies shape entire landscapes and whose numbers are almost beyond comprehension. And we're outnumbered by our own domesticated chickens, a reminder of how much we rely on other species for our survival and comfort. Over 99% of all species that have ever lived are now extinct. Extinction is the rule, not the exception. Life is constantly changing, and nothing lasts forever. The world we know is a temporary arrangement, a fleeting snapshot in the ongoing drama of life on Earth, shaped by time, chance, and adaptation. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a role in the intricate web of life. Fungi enrich the soil, insects pollinate crops, forests produce our oxygen, and together they sustain the balance of nature. Our survival is tied to the health and diversity of the ecosystems around us. When we protect nature, we protect ourselves and our future. We are not separate from nature, we are a part of it, woven into its fabric, dependent on its cycles and its gifts. The fate of our species is linked to the millions of others with whom we share this world. All of us connected in ways we are only beginning to understand. Biodiversity is not just beautiful, it is essential. A living library of solutions, resilience, and wonder. Our chapter in the story of life is still being written, and the choices we make today will shape the branches of tomorrow. We see ourselves as masters of the planet, but physically, we are quite average. Many animals outpace, outlift, and outlast us. Cheetahs sprint faster, beetles lift more, elephant seals dive deeper. We are generalists, not specialists, and our survival depends on adaptation, not dominance. The tardigrade, a microscopic creature, survives extremes that would kill any human: freezing, boiling, radiation, even the vacuum of space. Our senses are limited. We see only a sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum, hear a narrow range of sounds, and miss much of the world's hidden reality. Other animals navigate by magnetic fields, sense ultraviolet or infrared, and detect electrical signals. The world is filled with sights and sounds beyond our perception. Our physical form is humble, our abilities modest. What sets us apart is not our bodies, but our minds. Even so, we are just one of many remarkable life forms on Earth. We once believed complex thought and communication were uniquely human, but nature tells a different story. Tool use is found in apes and crows. Honeybees dance to share information. Apes learn sign language and pass it on. Even plants communicate. Acacia trees warn neighbors of danger with airborne signals. Animals display empathy, memory, and even humor. Elephants mourn, dolphins help injured companions, and rats show altruism. Ants practiced agriculture and built complex societies long before humans. The line between human and animal intelligence is far blurrier than we imagined. The natural world is alive with intelligence, cooperation, and culture. We are not alone in our abilities, just one voice in a chorus of life. We are not singular beings, but superorganisms, a community of life. Our bodies host tens of thousands of microbial species, most essential for our survival. The gut microbiome alone contains trillions of microbes, outnumbering our own cells. These microbes help us digest food, produce vitamins, and train our immune system. The gut-brain axis links our inner ecosystem to our mood and cognition. Even our DNA is not purely human. Fragments of ancient viral DNA make up nearly 10% of our genome. We are, in part, a fusion of many life forms. Our biological identity is a mosaic, shaped by countless partnerships. The illusion of separateness dissolves under the microscope. We are a living testament to life's interconnectedness. Our existence depends on the rich variety of life around us. Plants and phytoplankton provide the oxygen we breathe and stabilize our climate. Every meal is a product of biodiversity. Pollinators like bees and bats make agriculture possible. Healthy soil teems with billions of bacteria, the unseen engine of fertility. Without microbes, our crops would fail, and our food supply would collapse. Nature is also the source of our medicines. Many drugs were first discovered in plants, fungi, or marine life. The natural world is a vast chemical library still largely unexplored. Protecting biodiversity is not just about saving other species, it's about safeguarding our own future. We are part of a global life support system. Our well-being is inseparable from the health of the planet. Humanity is a species of contradictions, capable of creativity, compassion, and destruction. We have built civilizations, explored the stars, and created art, but also waged wars and devastated ecosystems. Our impact is now global and accelerating. Every year, millions of cars are produced, forests are destroyed, and species vanish. We are driving a mass extinction, the sixth in Earth's history, and we are the cause. Environmental degradation and poverty claim millions of lives each year. We have created wealth and technology, yet failed to provide for all. We are a force of nature, altering climate and life itself. Our power is unprecedented, but so is our responsibility. The choices we make now will shape the future of life on Earth. We must decide what kind of species we want to be. We stand at a crossroads, aware of our power and our impact. We have the knowledge and technology to address the challenges we face. The question is whether we have the wisdom to use them wisely. Our future depends on shifting from exploitation to stewardship, valuing long-term well-being over short-term gain. The health of our civilization is inseparable from the health of the planet. We have the capacity for change, if we choose to act together. The survival of life on Earth, including our own, depends on the answer we give. Will we learn to cherish and protect our only home? The choice is ours.